Welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Skinomi screen protector for the iPhone 5. So here's the box and we're going to see what it contains. Okay, open it right up. And as you see, first we have the solution, instructions how to apply it. And so we also have a little cover. Okay, and this is a full body screen protector. So we have we have the protector for the side of the phone. We have the protector for the front of the phone, and we also have the protector for the back of the phone. So this is a full body screen protector, and we have our lint-free cloth. And also, what do we have in here? We have a congratulations certificate. Okay. And we also have another instruction that we can watch YouTube video. And is there anything else in here? And we have a squeegee. Okay. So that's what comes with the Skinomi screen protector for the iPhone 5. I haven't used one of these before, so it's going to be my first time using it, and we're going to see how it goes. But I'm not going to do an installation video because this is my first time doing it and I don't really know how, so I'm going to do that on my own. But in the event that you do want to see an installation video, there are plenty of them out there on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description for you to go check one out if you would like to see how to install it. So welcome back, and here it is now, fully assembled screen protector. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a full body screen protector from here on out. The sides are there, the top is there, the other side, and also the back. It went on pretty easy, didn't have that too much problems. You see I have no air bubbles whatsoever, what I like to see. So the back is fully protected, durable, and just to show you it is a screen protector, here's a pencil, and I'm just going to do a couple scratches. And I am scratching very hard. Okay. And see, as you see, there's nothing there. And here's the papers. There's nothing on them. Spray. It's gone. And as you can see, the box is completely empty now. So I highly recommend, if you have an iPhone 5, to go out and get it. It's only about 20 bucks on Amazon.com. So yeah, I suggest you check it out. They're pretty cool. It's a lifetime warranty on here, so if something do happen, you could take it back and get another one. So I recommend everybody with iPhone 5s, iPads, they make them for pretty much every device. So yeah, check them out. You can go right here.com, or you also can find them on Amazon. Okay, and that's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next one.